Folks, Facebook and YouTube. I'm out here in the bee yard today. Yesterday I put the first Clauss Hive Dome into one of my hives. I'm going to be running Clauss Hive Domes in all my hives this winter. And so I installed it yesterday. It looked really good. I actually checked it this morning, and it looked really good. Right now I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to check on your bees using these Clauss Hive Domes. So I'm gonna take the lid off. The first thing I can feel in here is there is quite a bit of heat inside here. So let's pull this off. I'll get these bees too angry here. And bam, voila. Let's see if you guys can see that or not. As you can see, the moisture. I'm gonna pull this off here. The moisture is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. You can see it on the outside edges of the hive. Down in here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but all of the moisture is onto the side of the hive. There's no moisture on the top of the hive. Another thing that you'll notice is that when I poured in the granulated sugar, the bees have already started taking that. If you look, you can see where the bees are eating it, and there's a nice ridge of sugar. They've already hit into that pretty well. You can see them on there. Another thing you'll notice, they're up there on the pollen patty. They're eating that. It doesn't look like they've taken too much of the 2-to-1, so it might be time to end that. You can see they're all over in here. Now the thing that I like about this is, number one, it gives the bees a lot more space in the hive. If you look, I've got bees that are flying around under this dome right now. And they're crawling around, and they've got plenty of space. They can get up on the top. They can move freely all about the hive, just coming up to the top and moving from one end to the other. The air is convecting really nice. When I take the cover off, you can actually see it starting to steam up a little bit. But this morning when I opened it up, You can see down there, there was actually bees on the edges where the water was collecting, and they were drinking. They were drinking the water on the edges of the hive. So, yeah, pretty happy. But anyways, that's how easy this is. Just get in here. You can monitor their food. Yeah, they're eating. The sugar's already started caking up a little bit from the moisture. The bees are already in there taking it. So far so good. So I'm gonna get in here and just shut it back up. Super simple. I'm just gonna take the burlap bag. By the way, you can get burlap if you guys are looking for burlap. Just about any coffee stand that grinds their own beans will have burlap bags, and they'll usually sell them for really cheap. Put the lid on. Put the telescoping lid on. And I'm done.